Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video I welcome you to the part 5 of deploying a Node.js web app on AWS, where we have done everything. Now we have to clean up everything before we get charged more. So let me just log on to the portal and take it from there. I am inside my Elastic Beanstalk console and I'm to the management page. This is the environment that we set up. So I'll click on actions. I would do, if I go inside this environment, I would say terminate environment. Enter the name of the environment. It says tutorials env. This is just done to make sure that it is not an accidental deletion. Environment is getting deleted. It will delete everything that it created at the start of this series. After that, we have to open the tables page in the DynamoDB table, choose action, choose delete. We have to delete the table as well. DynamoDB, delete table, delete. Okay, it is also getting deleted. And if I go here, the reason the previous table is not there, remember we made a change in the config file under here. So next time we uploaded the data, everything was changed. So we went in here, we under the options.config file, and in here we deleted everything. We deleted this file under this section. So Node.js tutorial EB extensions. I deleted the database file, so it is not there. And this is all application code. If you would see in the back, it's .json file. So this is the package version private. It is the requirement of the code that it ran. And if you go here, it is the views, it is a static site, jQuery. So if you're not a developer, if you don't know JavaScript, Node.js, like I don't know anything about it, so you have to make sure how to deploy it. So the table is getting deleted. What about my environment? Let's see. My environment is getting deleted as well. So this is what it was. It was a really wonderful time that I had in this video series, and this looks much better. So I had a wonderful time doing this series and it's really exciting. I hope you do the same. Experience how Elastic Beanstalk work, how you deploy the code. We could have done everything with the command section, but that would have been too much for all of you guys. So in the coming videos, I'll make the Django, Python. I'll use Docker as well to install the application. Everything can be done without Docker. It's just that deploying applications using Docker Compose makes things easier for the DevOps engineer like us. So if you have any queries, if you are trying hard to become a DevOps engineer like I am doing, if you want to follow my path, please mention in your comment section. Mention your comments in the comment section. Feedbacks would be really great, and I'll bring some more interesting stuff for you guys. Until next time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, support this channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.